Hey, to connect Realme Buds Air 5 Pro with two devices at the same time, first of all, you have to connect them with your first device. So in my case, I've got iPhone 12, and you have to also connect them with the Realme Link application. And when you do this, you will be able to go into the other section where you can find dual device connection. So you have to click here. We can connect two devices at the same time and switch between them. So click here. And now just be sure that you turn it on. And now all you have to do is just to input both earbuds inside this charging case, left and the right one. Click and hold this button to enter for the pairing mode and simply pair them with the second device. There we go. Now we can release this button, keep that case open, and grab your second device. So in my case, I'm gonna use this Android phone. We have to simply navigate into this settings, into the Bluetooth settings, and you have to just search for your Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. If they are not available here, okay, I was previously connected with them. I mean, my phone is trying to connect into other earbuds, so I'm gonna get rid of this one, and now I will finally get them. So we have to just connect them, accept the pairing, and now we are connected. So as you can see here, I can find this information that I'm connected currently with the iPhone and also with the second device with the Pixel 8a. And when I'm gonna click here, I can quickly disconnect or connect back. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.